Bloggers, playlisters, and radio stations will typically ask you for a one-sheet before deciding to promote your music. These are all examples of one-sheets. If you don't have a one-sheet ready to send out to promote your music, then you have to watch this video. Come on, let's do it. Number one, include your name. People have to know immediately who you are. So if you're Sabrina Petrini, boom, put that in big letters right across the top of the page. Number two, use a clear picture. People need to see clearly who you are. So bam, try to have as close up a picture as possible. Number three, list key accomplishments. People will want to know what you've accomplished. So bam, wrap the accomplishments on the right-hand side of the picture. Accomplishments are things that are notable, like winning the LA Music Awards or the HMMA Awards, and always be sure to put the keywords first so someone can skim that list. Number four, write a short bio. People will also need to know a little bit about who you are, so bam, include a tight bio that includes your name, your style, and what you're doing next. If you guys want to brush up on your bio writing skills, click on this video, which is linked in the description below. And number five, list your contact information. Now, people will need to get a hold of you, so bam, include a call to action, such as your own website address or your manager's address. Additional or alternative information you can put in a one sheet includes the following. Number one, testimonials. In this one sheet, testimonials were used as social proof. Bam, here's one from NPR, and here's another one from the Huffington Post. Number two, sponsorship logos. People also like to see when other people are supporting you. So bam, if you have sponsorships, be sure to include their logos. And number three, links to music. And people, of course, will want to hear your music. So bam, include links to your music, which, by the way, are clickable if you save your one sheet in a PDF document. One sheets can be originally created in Photoshop or even Microsoft Word. It really doesn't matter. Just keep in mind that the main idea behind creating a one sheet is one sheet, one glance. That means all of the information is on one sheet, and in one glance, a radio station personnel, playlister, or blogger can get a general sense for what your group is all about. Don't forget to brush up on your bio writing skills by clicking on this video or the one that is linked in the description below. My name is Bobby Borg. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. You now have the tools to generate some publicity. Go get them.